guys, how are you feeling today? Me, I am happy because my Young Living Feather Diffuser is here. I am so excited to use it and I'm gonna use it in my room, so let's start the vlog. So, let's open the box. Come on, catch it because I'll not get injured. That's two. Oh.
Really?
Two lavenders.
Oh, wow. So we have the 15 ml lavender
And a lavender.
Wow, okay.
Wow! This is so amazing.
Show the box here.
Oh, there's a box.
Wow, so Kid Sense Feather the Owl. Kid Ultrasonic Diffuser. The other side, nak.
On the other side is the
What's
white
in
one.
there? Wow,
He's sleeping.
so cute. Okay, open it, be.
Oh, the instructions.
So what's that?
Feather the Owl Diffuser. I'm gonna read it. Oh, okay. what
What does it say?
Cleaning and maintenance. Always turn off the unplug the diffuser prior to cleaning. To ensure proper performance, clean the ultrasonic. It's over here.
Okay. We are going to read it later, ha?
Okay.
So this is the manual.
What is this?
What's that? I think that's a charger. Okay, I'll hold this one, babe.
Wire? Wire?
Okay, try to open it and show it to them.
Where's the open? I'm so confused. Mom, can you help me, please?
Okay, okay. Hold this
Mom,
one,
hold
babe.
the box. It's so hard.
Here, oh. This one here.
It's the wire. See the wire?
Wire charger, diba?
Yeah. See the wire? But
Yeah.
it's taller.
Taller?
Oh,
Longer.
longer.
Okay. Oops. Slowly.
It's pretty heavy than I thought.
Slowly, slowly, uy.
I can see it. Wow! This is so cool.
Inaya kay mabuak. Ano din siya? Wow! Cute kayo.
Now,
Uy, nayo. Yo, ako kamot na.
ooh,
Isyo. Oh, what's that?
that's the sounds.
Let me see. Kasi makamot. Ay, not too much. Okay, that's... Okay, be. So, I think this is the sound. Kay tungod aning, di ba? Music. And then, kani ang murag volume. Then, na siya tail, anak. And then,
Where's the on button? Whoa!
close it sa... Uy. I-show, be, ang naong ni Feather Diffuser, be. Tingnan niya. Oh, show here, be. Ang naong ba? Ooh, i-follow ang naong ni Kuan, be. Diffuser. Balik. Balik. Balik mo na. So you're gonna sleep tonight with that diffuser.
Yes.
Slowly down.
So let's turn on the feather diffuser. Tap his middle toe right here. Once only. Change light button. Once. I love this color.
Oh, you like that color?
Yeah. And
Do
the
we have
sound-
other colors?
Yeah, I think we have. That's all.
Now you choose your favorite color now. Is it your favorite color?
Oh, blue.
But you like that lagi.
Yeah,
Okay, you choose the color that you like for feather.
I love feathers. This
Okay. Now let's check feathers sounds. Show that here.
Lullaby. Now,
Yes, and you can sleep like that.
I'm so sleepy now.
You're so sleepy now.
Because it's still lullaby attack.
Do you have another sound?
Yeah. Rain?
Another?
Birds. Next. Waves. Smell it. Lavender is so good. Try it, Mom.
Lavender is always good. It smells
Like kid
so
scents.
good. Yeah. But
It's
hurot naman atong kid sense. Now let's try to turn off the kuan. The
sounds.
suga.
Oh, it's
Wow! So cute! Ka-cute.
he's sleeping.
Yeah. Like, you
Okay.
changed the color. Wow! Again.
Blue.
No, I like that. Okay.
Oh, I love white.
Love that.
Yeah, it's
I'll try that.
brighter.
I like this one.
My favorite color is this one.
Yeah, it's also nice.
Yeah.
I like this one also.
Yeah. And blue.
Everything is cute.
Then the two.
So, that's feather diffuser.
Oh, I'm so sleepy now, guys. That's all for today, guys. If you want to buy this Young Living Feather the Owl Diffuser, you can message my mom at Messenger. If you like this unboxing video, guys, click the notification bell and hit the like button and subscribe and goodbye.